Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to use a Windows feature that you should turn on straight away. Let me show you what it is. Okay, so if you go to the search, type in clipboard settings. Now this is the clipboard history. Now by default it's turned off. So what you should do is click and turn it on. And what this does is that every time you do a Control V or you copy some text or images into your clipboard, it will basically save it as a history in a list. Let me show you. So I'm going to open up, make sure it's turned on. I'm going to open Notepad. I'm going to type some text here. This is test message 1 and copy this. And then another test message and then copy this. So I'll use Control C. Now, if you use the Windows key and V, so it'll be similar to Control V, but in this case, you got to use the Windows key and V. You see here that there's a list of the clipboards that I've just copied. And let me show you that you can also copy images, copy to clipboard, and there you go. You can copy also images and put it on the list. Now, if you're using like social media and you need to reuse some of the text, this is a great tool. You can pin it so that it always stays there. And if you need to clear all your clipboards, you just hit clear all and then it'll all disappear except for the one that you've pinned because you want to reuse that. So if I click on that, as you can see, it pastes it in again. Now, just be careful if you're copying and pasting passwords. You might want to check and just delete it from your clipboard history because it will save it there. Besides that, this is a great feature to have. I've been in some situations where I've actually had to figure out what was the text or that I previously copied, and this allowed me to do that. I hope this video helped. If it did, please give a like and subscribe to the channel.